You know what is my favorite part of the day? Opening my hair after a long day of work. I just love the feeling of taking out the pins and scrunchies out of my hair. And to top it off, taking the products and chemical out of it. With my work, I can't say no to heat and chemical damage, but with Sebamed, I can not just fix that, I can also maintain my scalp's pH, which is pH 5.5. So here's presenting my 2-step hair regime from Sebamed to prevent hair loss. Step 1. Anti-hair loss shampoo. pH of healthy scalp is 5.5 and healthy scalp is equal to healthy hair. So when you keep your scalp at 5.5, it creates a protective shield which then keeps it healthy. Step 2. Sebamed Repair Conditioner. Followed by the Sebamed Repair Conditioner that has pH 5.5 plus silk protein and hydrolyzed wheat formula that deeply hydrates my hair. This conditioner is a game changer. From hair loss to hair gloss, it's the magic of Sebamed, the 2-step regime that I daily use. And remember, pH matters for healthy hair, so try and thank me later. Log on to Nykaa.com to get this Sebamed Anti-Hair Loss Regime Kit. Use my code SEBACARE15 to get a 15% discount on this pack.